Alright, so in this video I will guide you how you can make personalized cold emails using copy AI. So doing so is very easy. So let's start by clicking on the chat button on your left side. Then let's start by entering our prompt. So this is the prompt, like write a cold personalized email selling my customers an enterprise CRM or customer relationship management that helps organize and drive more sales with a simple collaborative design that my entire team can use. So let's just cut this part. For now you can also add some other details, but I will go further in details later, but let's just give it a shot and let's see what it is going to give me. And there you have it. Now let's say for some reason you don't like this particular cold email, so what you need to do is to simply give it some more further instructions with the specific details that you are looking in your cold email. So I have typed, I want you to act as an expert email marketer, sell them an enterprise CRM that helps organize and drive more sales with a simple collaborative design. Write the email to be conversational, includes how it could help business and improve revenue forecast as well. So now let's give it a shot now, and there you have it. We have our personalized cold email by just using copy.ai with some simple prompts. You can simply copy mine and try out a bunch of different things until you get your results. So hope this helped. This is how you can make personalized cold emails using copy.ai.